Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are safe at your home. Today, we will do the concept of dividing a decimal fraction by a number like 10, 100 and 1000 and their multiples. In case of these type of sums, the decimal point shifts left as many places as there are zeros in the divisor. Students, this is the opposite of what happens when a decimal fraction is multiplied by 10, 100 and 1000. In that case, a decimal point gets shifted right to the left. Now see how to do these sums of division. Okay, now let's start exercise 10E. Question number 1, fill in A part 2.4 divided by 10. Okay, now how many zeros are here? You can see here are only 1 zero. So in case of this, decimal point will shift to the left. Now this decimal point will shift to the left up to how many places? Up to only one place. Okay. So this will become C. This is 24. We will write the number 24. Now this decimal will shift to the left. Okay. So this will become 0.24. Okay. Now I am repeating again. See, here we have given 2.4 divided by 10. There is, as you can see, there is only 1 zero. So this decimal will shift left to this number. Okay. So this will become 0.24. We can put 0 here. Okay. We can put 0 before the decimal as a placeholder. Okay. Now see, you will be more clear with more examples. Okay. Now see part B, 0.3 divided by 10. As you can see, there is a 1 zero. Again, there is a 1 zero. So this will shift. Now this point will shift to the next. Okay. So this will become 0.03. Students, I have put here this 0. Put 0 just after the decimal point to make up the difference. As you can see, we need two places. So I have put here this 0. Okay. Now we can put this 0 also as a placeholder. Okay. Now see D part, 0.371 divided by 10. Okay. Now again there is a 1 0. So we will shift this decimal to the right, to the left. Okay. Now this will become 1, 2, 3. We need 4 digits. So we will put here 0, 0, 3, 7, 1. Okay. Because there is a, after decimal point, there is a 3 places and there is a 1 place because of this 0. So this will become 0.0371. I will put here 0. Okay. As a placeholder. And this 0, we can put 0 just after the decimal point to make up for the difference. Okay. So this will become 0.0371. Okay. Now see next question. Here you have given 310.3 divided by 100. So you can see there are 2 zeros. Okay. Now we will shift this decimal to the left up to 2 places. So see 1, 2. So I will put decimal 3.103. Okay. Now this decimal will shift to the left up to 2 places. So this shift to this. So 3.103. Okay. Now see G part, 6.315 divided by 100. Okay. Now as you can see there are 2 zeros. So this decimal will shift to the left up to 2 places. So you can see one place is this 6. Now another place is one more place. To make up for the difference, we will put here 0. So this will become 0.06315. Okay, we can put here 0 also. Okay, I have put here this 0 just make up for the to make up for the difference. Okay, now see H part, 0.14 divided by 100. Here you can see there are here are 2 zeros. So we will put decimal shift towards left 1, 2 places. Okay, now we will put 0.0014. Okay, as you can see 0.14. So this 2, because of these 2 0, we will move towards 2 digits more. So this will become 0.0014. Okay, now see next question. You have given 379.24 divided by 1000. Okay, now here you can see here there are 3 zeros here. Okay, so we will shift this decimal up to 3 places to the left. See 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so this will become 0.3794. Okay, now see next question is K part, 86.59 divided by 1000. Okay, as you can see here there are 3 zeros. So we will shift this decimal to the left up to 3 places. So you can see 86.59 divided by 1000. Okay, as you can see there are 3 zeros and decimal point is here. So we will shift up to 3 places, 1, 2, 3. So I will put here 0. Okay, so this will become 0.8659. So we will put decimal here. Okay, so I know you can put here 0 also to play to placeholder. So your answer will be 0.08659. Okay, now see the next question. Here you have given 0.5 divided by 10. Okay, now as you can see there is a 1 0 only. So we will put this decimal up to next place. So this will become 0.05. Okay, I am putting here 0 just for the placeholder and this 0 to make up for the difference. Okay, now see in the end part, 0.7 divided by 100. There are 2 zeros. So this decimal will shift to the 2 decimal places. Okay, to the left. This decimal shifted to the left up to 2 decimal places. So this will become 0.007. Okay. Remaining these sums will do it yourself. I hope you have cleared all these. Thank you and have a great day.